The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Before I begin the analysis, I want to give a shout out to Vee Trades. She is a trader in my membership. She just started posting videos on YouTube, so if you guys want to look at her analysis, which I recommend, they're pretty good. I will link her YouTube channel in the comments and also show a screenshot right now. Again, like I said before, she does this for a living. She has some great calls. She has made a lot of good calls, and she's in my membership, and she's been doing pretty good. So just want to give a shout out to Vee Trades. So go check out her videos and let's get her to at least 100 subscribers. So let's take a look at the daily chart for BABA. Well, it looks like it continues to rally higher. So last week, I was saying, depending on this breakout, if it was weak or strong, it could be signaling a reversal or continuation to the downside. This breakout is large enough to be considered this being a bottom right here in March of Monday, March 20th. This could be a bottom right here. This is such a large move up. Normally, you don't expect a pullback to be this size for this downtrend, so it's still not over though. We could just collapse back down. But as right now, it looks like instead of the two large legs down, maybe something like this, we're probably just going to get two small legs. That's if we get a pullback right now. If we do pull back, it's probably going to be the two small versions instead of the two large version because of how large this move higher was. So it's looking more like a reversal instead of a correction up. Overall pattern is a ranging pattern. You can see this is the bigger picture, the macro structure. Since we bounced right here, this is probably where the range lows are. I mean, before it was hard to find them, but since we bounced here, there's probably a good chance this is the range lows. Let's go ahead and make this orange, and you can see that prices were previously inside of this uptrend. So it looks like what the market is trying to do is make two attempts at a new high of this uptrend. Normally that's what you expect. So we could be attempting to do that. Since we just bounced off the lows, we can also be going up the highs. So there's a couple of reasons tell me why we should be seeing a small little pullback instead of like that big one I described, because the market structure is a range. Since we hit the bottom, there's a better chance that we hit the highs instead of coming back down to the lows. And also, since this previously was an uptrend, we could still go back up to retest these highs or even exceed them. So this is the first attempt at exceeding the highs, a pullback, and they could probably get the second attempt to meet or exceed these highs. So this is a very good move up for the bulls. We bounced off a key level, which was the range support. We should be working our way higher, but we are a little overextended. We could see a pullback shortly. I don't know exactly when. We could still continue to rally higher in this fashion, but it is unsustainable. It's probably not going to do it for a week. I would be really surprised, but it can continue a little bit more in this fashion that the price is moving in. But either way, the pullback should be weak for this impulse higher, which can lead to another impulse higher to the range highs or possibly even exceeding them. So everything looks pretty good for BABA as of right now. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart for BABA, and you can see that this 120 level has been a thorn on the side for BABA. It's been resistance for quite a long time. Resistance here, just recently in January here too. So again, that's a key level that prices have not broken through yet, but it looks like the bulls might be doing it on this attempt. So we just had one large impulse higher, sold off, bounced off the bottom side of the range, shot right through the EMA, and it looks like it's targeting the highs of the range, and this measure move could be met too. So but that would be leading that we would need a breakout of the 120 level. So let's see if that can occur first, then we can reach the 141. So everything looks pretty good. It looks like the bulls are probably going to continue to push this market up. I think since we just went down in a straight line, we can go up in a straight line. A symmetrical move can occur here. We just bounced up the lows of the range. We can go up to the highs. We got back above the EMA, which is pretty good. and we can still retest the high of this previous uptrend right here. So everything's looking good for Baba. Again, it's not guaranteed. I mean, things can change. Like I said before, prices are attempting to do stuff. It doesn't move in guarantees, it moves in attempts. So it's attempting to reach the highs of this range and this possible measure move target. If we see a large sell-off, then obviously the bulls failed to do their attempt to reach these levels. But as right now, it's setting up to reach these attempts, so that's why I'm sticking to it. I think we're going to see higher prices for Baba and probably other Chinese stocks. So that's all I have for Baba this week, Friday, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share that video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.